Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to stream with OBS. So you can see right here that I have my OBS. So in here, first thing we need to do is to make sure to select your scene. So we have in here some few more scene settings, like for example whole scene, that you can see right here, your whole actual picture or your whole desktop. You can also select some scenes that will only feature part of your actual scene right here or your actual screen. Now you can also put in here some sources. You can add some sources from browsers, auto capture, application audio capture, and also a lot more. So if you want to stream, you can click on this start streaming option right here on your actual OBS settings. So make sure to enable as well the desktop audio or mic that you have, and you can also enable scene transitions. And once you head over and start scene streaming, you can actually just do so. You can also head over right here to the settings of OBS, and you can see in here as well some streaming settings that you can choose from. Here's some stream settings. You can put in here the service, like for example, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, your Stream.io, Twitter, Whip, and a lot more. So you can connect your account or you can use Stream Key in order to successfully stream for that. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.